Jobitech, and welcome to my channel. This is what you need to do if you want to first of all import your SocksIP file. Go to the app. When it opens, click on start. After you have downloaded, you open it, you click on start. This is what you're going to see for the first time. Then you click on choose server. Then you'll be allowed to choose any of the server. Okay, this is your first time, so you'll be allowed to choose any of the server. So I will decide to choose number 1. They said a rewarded video ads will be loaded. Okay, so you click on yes. Mind you have to do this with data. Okay, for the first time you do it. Once you get connected, if you don't have data, it will still work for 30 days. If you want more days, we can create it for you. Okay, for now we do 30 days. If you want 60 days, we can do it for you. So this is the first part. You wait for the advertisement to end before you proceed. Okay, alright, cancel it. Alright, so this is the first part. Now the second part is you go back to the file that has been sent to you. Okay, the file. So my file is here. This is the file that has been sent. The first one, you click on it. Then you choose socks. Okay, it might be anywhere, but you choose socks. Then you click on just once. Once it opens, you click on start. Okay, so it will give you time that your file will expire. Okay, then you click on start. You wait for the advertisement. You wait for ads to load. Cancel it. Then boom, you be connected. So let's see what happens. So once it gets connected, you're going to see a key on top there. Okay, I am having an alarm sign on top there. That is why you're not seeing the key. Okay, but you're going to see a key. If you want to stop the VPN, you click here. It stops. Okay, it stops. If you want to connect, you click here. Tells you when the file expire. Then it gets connected. Requesting connecting. Alright, so connected. If written connected, so that is all. You can download as many videos as you want, watch TikTok, do a lot. Okay, this is unlimited. It is unlimited. It is not quantified. Your server gets to expire only 30 days. Okay, only after 30 days. So when it is 30 days, your file will expire. You come for renewal. Alright, so if you like this video, kindly subscribe. Thank you.